State-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, behind the scenes, insights from cutting-edge users around the globe on World Business Review, On Location.
Keeping our air clean has become a business imperative. Apex Instruments is going to show us its contribution to the emission testing industry.
The 1990 Clear Air Act amendments require the EPA to regulate emissions of hazardous air pollutants. The EPA has developed regulations and standards for industries that emit pollutants in significant quantities. This affects a wide range of industries and also requires new testing of industrial sources to verify compliance.
The U.S. EPA has identified 188 chemicals or compounds proven or assumed to be carcinogenic. EPA has currently issued 46 standards for hazardous air pollutants that affect industries such as chemical plants, refineries, steel mills, and even dry cleaners. Apex Instruments designs, manufactures, and distributes source sampling equipment to help industries demonstrate compliance.
The EPA also regulates the emission of pollutants that create acid rain, particularly from fossil fuel plants. This situation has gained widespread attention over the last few years for the impact it has on both the environment and personal health.
With the deregulation of the electric power industry, there is an increased demand for source testing. Approximately one new power plant per week is coming online for the next 15 years. Apex has the manufacturing capacity to meet this increased demand for testing equipment.
Custom equipment is required for the validation and development of new sampling methods. Taking the considered opinions of a wide variety of experts and users in this field is critical to the design of effective products.
Apex Instruments works closely with consultants, engineers, and regulatory professionals to develop new equipment. Our staff has experience with the atypical nature of stack sampling, such as high temperature, pressure, and moisture. Our in-house engineering department, assembly area, and welding shop allow us to build custom equipment efficiently.
In order to be effective in this industry, a solution provider must be able to test a wide variety of emissions in many ways.
Apex Instruments equipment is very versatile. It can provide data for regulatory agencies for compliance testing, but it also can provide data necessary for plant managers and engineers to optimize manufacturing processes that pollute the air.
This challenge is not merely one of domestic importance, it is a global focus as well. Many countries around the world do not have the modern pollution control equipment found in industrialized manufacturing facilities. They do, however, have the same need for a healthy, clean environment.
The emerging markets of the world typically adopt the U.S. EPA regulations and methods. We have distributed equipment throughout Southeast Asia, South America, and the Middle East. Our international customers are focusing primarily on the major sources of pollutants, such as power plants, incinerators, and cement plants. Apex Instruments has responded by providing not only the necessary equipment, but the training and consulting in over 50 countries.
Clean air is essential for a healthy environment. The EPA is becoming more and more proactive in its approach to industry responsibility in this arena. Environmental protection is no longer a public relations activity for business, it is now a business process in and of itself. For World Business Review on Location, I'm Christopher Thomas.
Clean air used to be something we all took for granted. Now it's something we have to work for.